Maytag Commercial Laundry Multi-Load Washers for vended and on-premise laundry. The laundry needs of each facility may vary from location to location, and needs for each wash from load to load. That is why the heart behind the Maytag Multi-Load Washers is to put the control in your hands, allowing you the ability to customize the right solution for your facility, including a multifaceted dispensing solution. Maytag Multi-Load Washers are equipped with smart dispensing technology designed to give you more control over the outcome of your wash. Looking at the 4 dispenser compartments from left to right, there is a pre-wash detergent compartment, liquid or dry, which can be capped if you do not want to offer a pre-wash option. Next is the main wash compartment, liquid or dry, followed by the bleach and finally the fabric softener compartments, which are siphoned for liquid delivery. All 4 compartments are timed to release the additives at the right time during the cycle automatically. The main wash compartment uses a domed bottom with no corners, helping to reduce detergent buildup. Maytag Multi-Load Washers offer the ability to bypass the manual dispenser and instead connect up to 8 external chemical bulk supplies via optional pump systems. Just another one of the many ways that Maytag is putting the power in your hands. Make sure to watch our other feature-specific videos to learn the full potential of the Maytag Multi-Load Washers. Maytag Commercial Laundry Multi-Load Washers. Dependable, customizable, and built for you.